Water licky feels good. Sure. Oh my god, bass sitting right here, bro. Good one.
Shall I leave my phone up here? Are we leaving the phone up here or no?
No, don't leave your phone up in case my mom calls. Dude, there was a good sized bass sitting right back here. There's some babies. There's a bluegill too.
How deep is it?
Like not deep at all. Oh, I had him bite it.
Let's go barefoot.
Got him.
Let's go fucking barefoot.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna fucking flip me.
Little.
Yeah,
I just got lit up. Little hybrid. Oh, she got oh, big one.
Mondo.
Big one. Big one.
Mondo.
Oh my god. Yo! Yo! Oh my god. Yo, I straight up just watched him eat it.
No, there's a fish on it.
Oh my god, another Mondo. Look at that, boy.
Good shit. I can't fucking see it, damn it. Oh. There you fucker. Oh. In my face on purpose. Should I set my hook? Wait, I should set my drag right.
Got him. Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big ass Mondo.
Oh my god, boys.
Oh my god. Idea. Oh, he's going. He's going on it.
Oh, damn.
That's a big ass one right there.
Bro.
Yo, chasing it.
Bro. Oh. Yo. He kind of looks like Bubba. Look. Damn. Another double up, boy. Oh. Oh, yeah, boys. Another double.
Oh, shit.
Oh, come light it. Got him.
Lighten it up.
Another pretty decent one. Oh.
On the ultra light.
Yo, that one's actually pretty. Double. I'm getting my stuff lit up. Oh. Dude, that's honestly a Mondo.
Oh.
You got one too?
Oh, Mondo, Mondo, Mondo.
Guys,
like
check out that Mondo.
Looks like Rallo Strode.
Yo.
Yo.
Kid. Oh, yo. Mondo. Mondo. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Mondo, bro. Mondo.
Mondo already, bro. That is a Mondo. Guys, look at that. That's a Mondo.